This is Fish Creek Park. This is right up Highway 22X. This is called Stony Trail West. Up the bridge, Highway 22X, and Bow Bottom in Fish Creek. This is right there where the boats are getting loaded to go into the water or coming out of the water. And these are people having fun on the boat. Everyone is enjoying the weather. Today is 26 degrees Celsius and it's July 27th. It's Sunday, July 27th. And right now it's about 22 minutes to 6 in the evening. Actually it's afternoon, but it's 6 in the afternoon. It's very sunny. 26 degrees Celsius. Lots of people here having fun. As you can see, lots of people. As you can see right down there, people having fun.
Yeah, nice like the elevator. Like the escalator. Wow.
Okay, don't shake me, Yvonne.
There's a fly.
Be careful, don't shake me. You're shaking me a lot.
I need to get down. A little bit hard to climb on rock.
Yeah, be careful.
I want to sit on a rock.
This is my daughter, Yvonne.
I was about to say you almost got my knee.
Yvonne is having fun at the river,
It's not used.
right by the rocks here.
I want to sit down on one of them.
You want to sit down on what?
One of the rocks.
Yeah, find a good one and sit.
Where's Daniel?
I don't know. Go check him quickly.
Okay.
Go check him.
So where are you going to put that video?
Which video?
That one. Right now.
Maybe.
I'll go find Daniel.
Yeah, he needs to be around. Why does he sneak?
Daniel, come. Do you want to be in the video? I just got in the video and I got my dad.
It's beautiful.
Daddy, I got Daniel.
Good. Good. Stick around. Stick around. That is the other side of the river. That's by Mackenzie Meadows Golf Course. Right below those trees. And that's where people park their cars. That place has been so much damaged by the flood, which was last year, June last year. It damaged so much, damages a lot of places here. But they're trying to renovate. Are you guys having fun?
Yeah.
Good.
What about Daniel's introducing?
Huh?
What about Daniel's introducing so everybody can see Daniel?
Well, it's okay.
Why not? So that's the
What do you
time
want to say, Danny?
You say what? Hi. Daddy. Daddy.
That's funny.
Daddy.
Yes.
You say to Daniel what you said to me. But
What is it?
about the part where you put in my name and stuff like that. That one. And Daniel, that time you didn't show.
It's alright.
Oh, ow. I like climbing rocks.
Okay, guys, stop shaking me.
Wow. The dynamite. The dynamite. Rat. You do a rabbit rocket. Rat. 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 Rat.
It is beautiful. Hi, Yvonne. Hi. I'm saying hi. That is my daughter, Yvonne. Watch, be careful. Where's Daniel? Where's he? Okay. Good.
The river only.
10.
What?
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Yep. Pretty much. Pretty much 10 minutes.